If you're thinking about listing your home on the market, here are some tips to make the sale process faster and easier in the long term. Consider doing a pre-sale home inspection so you can repair any troubled areas before open houses begin. Organize and clean your space. Cut down on clutter and pick up items for storage to make your house shine. If you have any big ticket items that need to be replaced, find out how much repairs will cost, even if you do not plan on making those changes, to help buyers determine if they can afford the home or not. Be sure to gather all of the warranties, guarantees, and user manuals for appliances around the house for the buyer. It's also a good idea to spruce up the curb appeal and make sure the lawn and bushes are neatly manicured and the address is visible, the walkway is attractive, and more. If you have any questions about the home selling process, please call, text, or email us today.